Hey guys, Mike here from Musk Agency, bringing you video number 2 on how to optimize your GMB. So stick around, we got a lot of good information. As always, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button if you find this video useful, and we'll see you soon. Hang tight.
I would love small business owners to take advantage of some of the great features that GMBs are giving right now that will enhance your Google My Business, grab the attention of your audience, and ultimately increase your ranking to the #1 spot. It's important to complete all the information Google asks for. By doing so, the valuable data on your GMB listing will make it a lot easier for customers to find more information about your company. Just by verifying your Google My Business can increase your chances of showing up in the Google 3-pack 10 to 1. Google relies on you filling out accurate information on your business listing so they can relay that information to potential customers looking for your service you provide. The reason I'm telling you this is because of a button that your competition can press when they look you up on Google, and it's called Suggest and Edit, where your competitors can go in and change the business information and knock you lower in the rankings. So make sure you're always looking at your Google My Business, updating your information, that way you won't have any problems. Alright, so my second tip for you today is now Google added a COVID-19 link. So if this applies to your category, your business category, go back, take a look at your GMB, because you're going to need pages created for those links. I would definitely create those pages. It's very important that you do so. Okay guys, the third thing I would like to share with you today is posting. And the reason I want to talk about this is because I see a lot of people that are posting aren't really utilizing it to its full ability. So I'm just going to share with you some of my secrets to what I do for my clients to help you get ranked in the 3-pack. The first thing I like to go over is photos. Take a photo of your craft, whether it be a law office, a dentistry, whatever it may be. Use your own photos, okay? And in those photos, make sure you have the name of your business, the physical address, your telephone number so everybody can see it, your logo, and some keywords in that photo, all right? Now, when it comes to the actual post, the description of it, I like it to be about 150 to 200 words, and make sure you add the social media links inside there as well. That way people can go back and refer to different pages. It's going to give you some authority in that area. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I know we're kind of going over this kind of fast, but I'm trying to get these videos out to the public so that you guys can utilize them. So if you like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and we'll talk soon.